Imagine walking into a bathroom where the toilet lifts its lid for you automatically. The seat is already warm. As you finish, it flushes on its own sprays and dries you to a perfect clean and even plays relaxing music in the background. Welcome to the world of smart bathrooms in Japan, a place where high-tech meets personal comfort in ways most of us never imagined. Japan has always been ahead when it comes to innovation, but nowhere is that more unexpectedly impressive than in the bathroom. For many people visiting from the US or Europe, it's often the toilet that becomes the most unforgettable part of their trip. And no, that's not a joke. Japanese smart toilets are loaded with features that would make any high-end tech gadget jealous. Take the Washlet, for example. It's a type of toilet seat created by companies like TOTO and Panasonic. These aren't just bidets, they're fully customizable systems. You can adjust water pressure, temperature, spray position, even oscillation patterns. Some have built-in deodorizers that activate when you sit down. Others include a night light, so you don't have to blind yourself during late-night bathroom visits. And the intelligence doesn't stop there. The latest models include AI-powered sensors that detect your usage habits over time. The toilet learns when you're most likely to use it and adjusts its energy-saving settings accordingly. It flushes exactly the amount of water needed based on how long you sit. Some models even connect to a smartphone app, giving you full control and diagnostic feedback. Yes, we've reached the point where your toilet can send you notifications. The smart bathroom goes beyond the toilet too. Japanese bathrooms are designed as self-contained spa zones. Showers often include digital temperature controls, with memory settings for each person in the household. Some bathtubs can be filled automatically at a preset temperature. And depth, just press a button and wait for the announcement that it's ready. Heated mirrors prevent fogging while you shave or do your makeup. Ventilation systems remove humidity and odors quietly and efficiently. Then there's the hygiene aspect. In a culture that values cleanliness deeply, touchless features are everywhere. Faucets are motion sensor activated. Toilet lids open and close without contact. You flush without touching a thing. In a post-pandemic world, this level of hygiene isn't just luxurious, it feels essential. Even sound design plays a part. Many smart bathrooms in Japan come with noise masking features. A soft ambient sound plays when you use the toilet to preserve privacy. Some devices even mimic the sound of running water. It might sound unnecessary, but in densely packed cities like Tokyo, where walls are thin a little, privacy goes a long way. And let's not forget the eco-conscious design. Smart toilets use less water than traditional ones in the US or UK, despite offering more functions. Some models clean themselves with electrolyzed water or UV light. Others recycle hand-washing water from the sink to use for flushing. It's an elegant solution to conserving resources without sacrificing comfort. So why has Japan invested so much into bathroom tech? It's a mix of culture, technology, and practicality. With limited living space, every room in a Japanese home is expected to work smarter, not bigger, and with an aging population, automation helps support independence and comfort. That's why features like built-in handles, voice commands, and app controls aren't just futuristic, they're accessible. For Western audiences, these bathrooms feel like a glimpse into the future, but in Japan, they're becoming the standard. From airports and train stations to hotel rooms and homes, this smart bathroom tech is everywhere. So yes, in Japan, even the toilet has a brain. And once you experience it, you might never look at your own bathroom the same way again.